Hi Biostrap family! In this video, let's talk about tracking your workouts. If you remember in our other videos, we've mentioned how you can track certain exercises with the activity pod. Now, imagine knowing exactly how your heart rate progresses during those workouts. It can be particularly important if you're running or doing high-intensity interval training, so you can keep track of the increase and decrease of your heart rate while you're doing these exercises. With one of our external heart rate monitors, you can do exactly that. You have the option to choose between a chest strap or an armband. We'll break it down in just a second what the difference is between these two. But first you might ask, why would you need this for activity tracking? Here's why. Both heart rate monitors track real-time heart rate and heart rate variability, allowing you to track your heart rate progression by exercise zone. This will give you data backing up how intense your workouts are. And this also gives you an opportunity to structure your workouts more accurately based on your goals. We calculate 5 zones. That's warm-up, fat burning, cardio, hardcore training, and maximum effort. Now, let's see what the difference is between the chest strap and the armband. Because of the high-quality sensors we use, both are super accurate. However, given the position of the chest strap being closer to your heart, it will be slightly more precise. Before using the chest strap for the first time, make sure a coin battery is inside. These batteries have a life of around 300 hours, but you can always keep track of it in your Biostrap app. It's not a rechargeable device, so make sure to have batteries at hand when you see it running low. There's no button, so you won't have to turn anything on and off. To begin, attach the heart rate sensor to the chest strap, marked L toward left, R toward right. Now, adjust the length of the chest strap so it can be fastened tightly but comfortably to your body. Be sure that the electrode areas are firmly against your skin and the sensor is in central position. It will automatically detect your heart rate, and when it does, you'll hear it beep twice and the circle will blink green. Please make sure to have the heart rate monitor on while pairing it with your phone. If you aren't wearing the heart rate monitor, it will be in sleep mode and the Biostrap app will not find it. Now, let's pair it with your Biostrap app. Select Settings at the bottom of the main dashboard and click Add Device. Now tap Locate Device. Once it pairs, the blue light will start to flash on the chest strap. You'll hear the chest strap beep twice again, indicating that pairing was successful. Going back to the main dashboard, you'll see your active heart rate and active heart rate variability show up. Now, when you start your workout, you'll see a graph decrease and increase based on your heart rate progression. When you're done, unclip the strap, take it off, you'll hear it beep once and it'll turn off automatically. Next, let's take a look at the Armband external heart rate monitor. No coin battery is in this one, so you'll have to charge it with the USB cable that you find in the package. Please make sure to charge it when you see it's running low in the app so you don't miss out on any data for your next workout. You can wear the armband on the upper part of the forearm or the lower part of the upper arm. The sensor should be positioned either on the inside or on top of your arm. It should be snug enough to not move on your arm, but not so tight that it causes restriction in your circulation. To turn it on, press the start button once and you'll see a blue LED flashing quickly, indicating the device is searching for your heart rate. As your heart rate has been detected, the light will flash slowly. To pair it with the Biostrap app, go to Settings, select Add Device, and tap Locate Device. Once your heart rate monitor is paired on the main dashboard, you'll see your active heart rate and active heart rate variability pop up. To turn it off, just press the same button once. The LED will flash in red and the device will shut off. To learn more about the different Biostrap features of our armband and chest strap, visit us at biostrap.com or our YouTube channel for additional information. Thank you for watching, stay resilient, and we'll see you soon.